Have you ever found yourself staring at your phone, heart pounding, as you frantically refresh your banking app? It's a feeling we've all experienced at one point or another. Today, we're diving deep into the question that has been on everyone's mind: is Koho Bank down? Koho, with its sleek interface and innovative features, has quickly gained popularity among users seeking a more modern banking experience. But even the best banks can face technical glitches or outages. So, let's explore the signs of a Koho bank outage and what you can do if you find yourself in such a situation. Signs of a Koho bank outage. Unable to access your account. The most obvious sign is when you can't log into your Koho account. This could be due to a temporary server issue or a more widespread outage. Transaction errors. If you're getting error messages while trying to make payments or transfers, it might indicate a problem with the bank systems. Downtime notifications. Sometimes, Koho will send out notifications or updates on their social media channels informing users of any planned or unplanned downtime. Checking online forums. A quick search on online forums or social media can often reveal if other users are experiencing similar issues. What to do if Koho Bank is down? Check your internet connection. Ensure that you have a stable internet connection. A weak or intermittent connection can sometimes mimic the symptoms of a bank outage. Try different devices. If you're having trouble accessing Koho on your phone, try logging in from a computer or tablet. Clear your browser cache and cookies. Sometimes, clearing your browser's cache and cookies can resolve temporary issues. Contact Koho customer support. If you've tried all of the above and are still experiencing problems, don't hesitate to reach out to Koho's customer support team. They can provide more specific information about the outage and offer assistance. Common causes of bank outages. While we can't always pinpoint the exact reason for a bank outage, here are some common factors that can contribute to such incidents. Technical glitches, software bugs, or hardware failures can disrupt bank operations. Cyber attacks. Malicious actors may attempt to target banks to steal data or disrupt services. Natural disasters. Severe weather events or natural disasters can damage bank infrastructure. Maintenance and upgrades. Banks often schedule maintenance or upgrades that may temporarily affect their services. To stay updated on any Koho bank outages or service disruptions, consider the following. Follow Koho on social media. Keep an eye on their official social media accounts for announcements and updates. Sign up for email alerts. Many banks offer email alerts or notifications to inform customers of any service interruptions. Check online forums and communities. Join online forums or communities related to Koho or banking in general to get real-time information from other users. While bank outages can be frustrating, it's important to remember that they are not uncommon. By understanding the signs of a Koho bank outage and knowing what to do in such situations, you can minimize the impact on your financial activities. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, stay safe and keep your finances in check.